Yep. What the heck was that? Well, that's part of the microwave. Epic. There's the door. There's the magnetron.
Okay, there's just a toggle in the middle, mate. You don't really need to be opting. Oh, fuck it. Probably German for this or whatever. We could actually use this as our fire. Hot, isn't it, Brendan?
That worked successfully.
Smells like fresh, toasty clothes.
Isn't the bottom of a plastic too, though?
All right, let's not. Okay, let's turn it off. Turn it off.
Alright, so we got a washing machine over there behind the tree, and we're about to see what happens.
Is everyone ready?
Yep.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That's a shockwave, eh?
Nothing left. Let's see how this goes.
Alright, so let's see what's left of this washing machine. Oh, I've still got the barrel left. Sort of.
Yeah, I've got a bit of a shockwave behind you. It blew the metal part out, but still kept them in the same spot.
Alrighty, got another one. Nearly got him.
That was right there. Here we go.
Alright, we all ready?
Yep.
Alright. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, there's the back of the microwave. Not really much left there. There's the case. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, they look pretty done to me.